Hey, what's going on, guys? It's IJR Gaming, and welcome back to another video regarding technology. This is the Apple MacBook Pro, M1 Pro Edition from, well, actually just last year, and it's the 14-inch version where I'm going to unbox it for you guys. So, my phone's kind of busy, so I'm using a different camera than I would normally, so let's get started. So we have two tabs here. Let's see. Two tabs. Oh, and we have, what the hell? Maybe I have to take this off as well. Okay. What now? Over here? No. Over here? Oh, how the hell does this thing come off? Damn. That's not gonna come off. That's good. Wow. I don't know how this is supposed to come apart, but... Oh, there was a little pull tab. Okay, I'm an idiot. It's fine. It's okay. I'm an idiot. We all knew that, though. Here's the... Here is the Apple MacBook Pro. So, let's get into this. I have a little pull tabby here. What? Ha! That was scuffed. This just goes all the way around, I guess. Oh, it tries to go all the way around, but fails. Oh, there we go. That's more like it. Now we have the, can't believe that tab failed. We have the plasticless MacBook Pro box. Whoop. Let's, get into this. Ooh. That awesome? Whoop. That's not stable. Okay. You know, I have this MacBook right here, which, pretty hefty, and also not too heavy either. We have the, charging and... Oh, wait! Oh my god, it's MagSafe! MagSafe. Awesome. I'm gonna love that. And, it's braided too, which I didn't expect. I also have, designed by Apple in California. This is little manuals and stuff. And then the 67-watt power supply with the wrapper that I just ripped. That's fine. Okay. Really scuffed unboxing here. Yes, here's the power supply. Next, what I think we need is to get this juiced up. But first, we have to, of course, get this cable undone. This is going back to Apple in a couple weeks, so I'm gonna make sure this is a good enough condition to do so. What is that? Oh, I actually have to rip that portion. Ah, jeez. Wait, do I? Yeah. Alright, we're all good. I think. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a little another pull tab. There we go. And it is free. There's no stress relief though, so that's kind of a tad worrying. Anyway, on to the main event. We have the MacBook Pro. So let us, you know, look at that. Way better than the other thing. Whoa, I just pushed it. Oh. Wow. Oh, and it's like indented in there. That's pretty cool. It has that stupid type of screw, but that's okay. Because this has a terabyte, I think, within it. So yeah. Have our latch here. We have our, MagSafe and ports and stuff. I wish this had a USB-A port. I thought it did, but it doesn't. But that's alright. We have adapters and stuff around here. Not many, but we do have them. And compared to my old MacBook Pro, the 2012 one, which is huge. It's pretty damn thin. Not by a crap ton, but by enough. So what do you say we get into this? Yeah, I think we'll do that. I might have to refilm this portion because screen and stuff. Whoa! Oh God! No. I need to see this. Oh. Let me do something here. Okay, so we have this really nice display here. Yeah, look at that. Turn the brightness up a little bit. Oh, we can't. Go English. I'm gonna go through the setup and I'll be right back to you guys. I'm currently working on transferring everything from this MacBook Pro to this MacBook Pro. This is gonna take a long ass time, so stay tuned. I've decided to do my review of the MacBook Pro after it is done transferring. And that's gonna take a while, so I will make a video around the MacBook Pro 14-inch, and you'll see that whenever I'm done with it. So yeah, I'm IJR Gaming. Subscribe if you're excited for the new Macs, and I'll see you all next time. See you guys. Oh, he's definitely out there somewhere. He left his phone here. Uh-oh, he's weeding. Let's see what he's doing.